All right, so for this example, we are going to do a word problem. So let me pull that onto my screen. Here we go. So the NFL regulates the inflation or air pressure of footballs used during games. It requires that footballs have an air pressure of 13 pounds per square inch plus or minus 0.5 psi. What is the greatest and least acceptable air pressure of a regulation NFL football? So on problems like this, I really recommend that you draw some sort of number line or picture to help. So let me show you what I mean by a number line drawing to help. So if I have a number line here, oh my gosh, my lines are so bad. Okay. And we want our air pressure to be around 13, but it's also allowed to be plus 0.5 or minus 0.5. Okay, so really, this would be 13.5, and this would be 12.5. And we're saying that it's allowed to be between these. That's actually all you have to do. Okay, so draw a picture, think about it in your head. What does that actually mean? And then see if that can help you. Okay, so definitely recommend having some sort of strategy, but also recommend having a picture. Now, if we were to turn this into a like an equation, we would use the absolute value, because we would say that a football's PSI, its pressure, okay, minus 13 has to be less than or equal to 0.5. Okay, so that's an inequality because it has to be less, it has to be between that, right? So it has to be, let's say if our air pressure was 14. So if we had 14 minus 13, okay, that is 1. 1 is not less than or equal to 0.5, so not allowed. What if we had one that was 12.75? Well, 12.75 minus 13 is 0.25. It's negative, but we take the absolute value and it becomes positive. Okay. And so, yeah, 0.25 is less than or equal to 0.5. That works. So that's the kind of thing that you're doing here, is you really have to just sort of think about it and come up with, a creative way to solve it. This is not necessarily the only way, but this is a way that I recommend.